Hey there, so welcome to another vlog. I am going to do a little get ready with me. I literally just got out of the shower and I'm gonna get ready for the day. I'm trying some new makeup and then I want to try a new hairstyle. I was on my Insta story telling you guys that I wanted to try something new, and so I thought, why not just vlog it? My skin feels really dry right now. But I went to Sephora and Ulta a few days ago and I bought some stuff. I'm gonna be using most of the products on my face, but I'll just show you what I got. So I picked up another shade in this foundation. I got shade 260 because the one that I have right now, 290, is too dark. You guys know how I feel about this foundation. I already have 3 shades in it. And then I also got this blush stick, which I will show you how I use exactly. I showed it on my Insta story too, and I am obsessed with it. It's from Colourpop in the shade Under Pressure. It's a cream stick blush. I also got a Sephora collection waterproof brown eyeliner because I haven't used an eyeliner in a while and I want to try a brown one. This is in Cup of Joe 02. And then from Ulta, this is from Ulta too, the Colourpop. But I also picked up some lip colors and I'm waiting for one to come in. I ordered the Kylie Cosmetics lip kit in, what color did I get? I forget. Exposed. That's the one I got, and I'm supposed to get it in the mail by tomorrow, so I can't show it, but I picked that up. And then I got 2 liquid lipsticks from Dose of Colors. I got Supernatural, which I've actually already wore. It's like a really nice muted nude color for my skin tone. I'm showing you everything I got because I'm not gonna obviously use all of it on camera. And then I got Old Flame. I want to do a really pretty peachy spring makeup look using this color. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna wait till they dry matte so you can see how they look. But yeah, I got those. And then I got this blush from Colourpop in Quarters. It's such a nice, also peachy, yeah, bronze blush. I love blushes like this. The Colourpop Lippy Pencil. This is a lip liner in BFF. This is a nice color too. I've already used this one. And then the KKW lipstick in Nude 2. This one's less peachy than the other one because I have Nude 3, I want to say. And it's more, is there a 2.5? I have the next one up and it's really peachy. So here's the BFF lip liner. And then this is the Dose of Colors Supernatural. This one is the Dose of Colors Old Flame. And then this one right here is the KKW. For today though, I'll start by moisturizing, which I haven't done. I was sent these from Fresh Beauty. These are from their Lotus Youth Preserve collection, the moisturizer and the eye cream. The eye cream, I'm already like halfway done. I started using it as soon as they sent it to me and I'm like, obviously enjoying it. This smells like cucumber. It smells really good. I don't know what kind of look I want to do today. I think I'm just gonna stick to, I mainly just want to show you how I use this because when I posted it on my Insta story, I got some questions on like what order I apply it in and how and what brush and all of that. So I think I just want to show you how I've been using that recently. And then my skin's breaking out right now because it's that time of the month. Last night I was like craving something sweet, like a shake or like something, and I'm not usually a sweets person, and I was like, why am I craving this so much? And then this morning I started my period, so I was like, thanks. I started using the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation again and I love it, but since I did get a new shade in this one, I think I want to use this one for today. Only thing is I can't really apply much makeup right here. I didn't wear makeup yesterday and the day before that because I have some kind of reaction, so I've been putting like cortisone on it and trying to make it go away. that works. And then I'm gonna put my concealer. Once I do my concealer and my contour, it should even out. But even then, it looks pretty good. It's a little lighter, but it's gonna even out. I'm using Too Faced concealer in Warm Beige. This color's like, I wanna say it's a shade, it's pretty much my skin tone. It's so freaking good. Like, even if you don't add a full coverage foundation underneath, but then you do this concealer, it's gonna still make your skin look super flawless and full coverage. And it did actually brighten my under eyes a little bit too. As much as I want to set everything already, here is where I go in with the blush. And I do not apply this directly on my face, because if I do, it's for sure going to mess up my foundation. It's not a super creamy formula if you're putting it on top of foundation. So if you're just putting it on your skin directly with nothing under, then it's fine. It's pretty creamy in that sense. But if you're putting it on top, just trust me, you want to use a brush with this. So I use this brush right here. This is a Japanese 961 brush, so it's like a nice angled brush. And then I just take it on top of that blush. You can see that kind of color. It's like a really pretty peachy, flirty, I'm blushing kind of color, like an apricot blush. And I take quite a bit because it doesn't come up really intense, even though that looks like it would. Pounce it on my skin and I build it up slowly. And I do, for me and my face shape, I like to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. So when I smile like that, it's right there. Some people like to only do it right here, but with this type of color, I do like to do it on the apples. So it looks like I'm kind of like blushing. Duh. If you want a really natural flush look, you can even stop here and just set your face, but I do go over top with like a little bit of bronzer. Okay, I think that's enough. And then let's do the other side. I really wish I could play music while I'm getting ready, but YouTube likes to play you with the copyright. Like, I would be playing music in the background right now, but I can't. All right, so now you can go ahead and set your face. I'm using the Huda Beauty. This is the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Pound Cake. So I'm gonna use my Flower Beauty face powder. This is the Light Illusion Perfecting Powder, and it is supposed to be more of a face setting powder, but I like to use it as a bronzer. This is what it looks like, and I get this from Ulta. It is in the color Sable D2, which is this really pretty, or like light medium orangey color. At first I was like, is this even gonna appear on my skin tone? This color is really, really good, and I've been using this bronzer already or this powder for some time. So I'm using my Equal Tools multitasking powder brush for this part. I'm just setting the perimeter, adding warmth, a little bit of dimension too. This isn't like really a contour, so you can still see the blush, but you can tell that obviously there's like a little bit more bronziness there. And you can build this up as much as you want. If you want the blush to show a lot more, then obviously don't put as much bronzer. See how my cheeks look? Like, this part looks more like a blush, whereas my forehead, you can tell it's more of a bronzy color. I just can't wait to fully grow out my brows, because right now they're going through the growing in phase and trying to find the perfect shape. But once, I think after the next time I go to Lily, I'll see a huge difference, because I'm gonna let them grow for like 4 weeks and try not to touch them. Obviously, if there's like hair down here, like she said as well, if there's hair like down here or anything like far away from the brow, then I can pluck that. But anything even remotely close, I'm just gonna leave it for the next time I go in. Because once I get my brows to be like nice and thick, I know for sure I won't have to be going in all the time to do my brows. Right now I feel like I have to go in, or I used to go to get them threaded like every 2 weeks, like max. So hopefully I won't have to do that as much. Okay, I think it's close. I love my brows. I love how she did them for sure. I want a little bit of color on my eyelids just because the concealer I used under is pretty light and I don't want it to look that intense. So I'm just gonna take that same. And I do want to add some lower lash mascara. This is the Marc Jacobs Blaquer Omega Lash. I like it because the formula is not too watery. I don't like my mascaras to be watery. I don't know what it is. I like a more dry formula. I think that looks good, nice and simple and blushy. But to add a little something, I am gonna do the liner as well. I had to do it off camera because I couldn't concentrate, but I just did a little baby wing. I do wish it was a warmer brown, so I think instead I'm gonna try doing next time with a brown eyeshadow. Okay, I think we're good with the face for right now. I'll do my lips after I do my hair. So I want to try a new hairstyle. Hopefully it turns out. We shall see. And take some of this Got to Be. And this brush that I'm using to comb through my hair is from Equal Tools too. I haven't slicked my hair straight back like this since I was younger. I legit used to only wear my hair like this, like a full sleek back ponytail, super tight. That's probably why my forehead's so big, because I used to wear my hair in a ponytail legit every single day, like super tight. I'm gonna take two. These are the thicker ones compared to the regular ones, so I'm gonna take two of those and make this super tight. I'm doing it 3 times. My hair is thick, so I don't even think I'll be able to wear this hairstyle for more than one day. I feel like I would have to redo it each time. Then I'm taking this braiding hair. This is already pre-stretched hair. I got this at the beauty supply store, and it also comes with this. But what I'm gonna do is take this out. There's so many videos on here. Mine is not gonna be a good one. This is not like a hair, specifically a hair tutorial, but I just want to at least try to explain. So you just loop it like that and then you tighten it. I'm sure you guys have done that before. The hair is supposed to sit on top of my ponytail, and then I'm just tying that. So once that's tied on there, I'm gonna start braiding my hair into the actual hair. So yeah, I'm just braiding all the hair. So now I'm gonna do it not as tight because my hair's, you can see the difference here. It's thick because my hair is right there and then the bottom isn't. So I'm gonna fix that after. I can't even imagine like having to do my hair, and then if I had a daughter having, and if she had really curly hair, that would be insane. But it's always easier doing someone else's hair, obviously. So then now that I have it tied, I'm gonna cut it right now, but I'm just gonna pull. First I'm gonna spray it where my hair is sticking out. and shape it so it looks a little more even throughout. I can still see the hair right here. You can tell that, you know, it's not my real hair. So what I'm gonna do is take another piece of this braiding hair. That's why I got a bunch of these. And I'm going to wrap this around the top of the braid. And as I wrap, I'm gonna spray some of this. This will literally glue down your hair. I'm gonna take this Perfect Edges Cream of Nature hair gel edge control. This is what it looks like. I feel like I'm doing like an old school YouTube video for some reason. Yeah, so that's it. I'm like, yes. And then you want to take a edge, like a edge brush, baby hair brush, or an old toothbrush, which is what I'm using. And I'm just going to bring out my little pelitos. I recommend doing this before doing your makeup though, because my foundation is starting to get messed up. I like to do like baby hairs. Like I don't like to have a bunch of hair in the front. I just don't like it, how it looks on me. I think that's good enough. I'm gonna let that dry and then kind of touch up my makeup around there. And I think that's kind of how I want to leave the look. Let me move out of this lighting so you can see.